Hi guys, if you have chicken breast, prepare this tasty recipe at home and thank me later. Here is my chicken breast. Just cut them into pieces according to your sizes, according to the desired sizes, and wash it very properly. Then set it aside and prepare your onions. I'm using red onions here in this recipe. You can use white onions, you can use red onions, you can use even spring onions. Chop them in pieces at your desired sizes, then set aside. Then go and bring your pot you're going to use to prepare this. Add a small cooking oil, call it sunflower oil, call it granite oil, call it any oil of your choice, and make it warm and add your onions, add your chicken breast and turn it. Allow it to steam. Now I will be adding my spices. I add assorted spices and I added my salt. So if you know the spices, if you want to know the spices I added our normal spices. So use any spices of your choice, guys. Then I will add my eggs. I want to use eggs to combine this chicken breast. So go on and add your tomato. If you have fresh tomato, add. If you have steam, you have even fresh one, just leave it, cut it and add in your chicken breast. So continue watching and see the final look of this recipe. And thank me later. Keep watching. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and give me a thumbs up. Keep watching. I added crayfish, I added my seasonings, Maggi cube, and I go on to allow it to steam. I will go on now and take my egg. I'm done. I will go and peel it, remove the part of it and set aside. I will add my paste. You know guys, any paste of the choice you can do. Okay? I will add the eggs in my sauce. Look at how this your delicious is. So if you have a chicken breast, don't hesitate to try this recipe and you will come here. Thank you so much for watching and keep watching.
Chikwado space for lifestyle and product reviews. Chikwado space. I mean, you want to be happy and jolly. Chikwado space. Chikwado space. Oh, Chikwado space.
On a fair on a muta, money where in Kashobi, Iga Muta Abuko, inspiring check, educating check, entertaining check, for food we did, for vlog we did, lifestyles and product review. All in Chikwado space. Kuman, Ijela one, and that is Chikwado.